the gunman, 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 he's the gunman. Yes, he is. Hello, I am the gunman. Here to do an episode about the AK-47. Here she is, AK-47. Very nice weapon. What's I doing that? This is full electric. This is an electric weapon. This magazine, very nice. Yes. Also, do enjoy the sights. I enjoy the sights. Very nice.
You gotta eat, Mommy's on her way. You gotta do that by 6.
Enjoy the sights. Yeah. This right here. Don't know what this does. This goes right here. Be nice. I will show you the sights on this gun. This gun is nice sights. Oh, I'm sorry. See them? Right down there. There you go, down there. Very nice. This is a folding stock too. See this come out? Shoulder. Then this way for hip firing. See hip firing? Firing from the hip. That's that. It's a nice video, so that's that. Beautiful sounding. That's that for the gunman. Gunman's out. The gunman, 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 he's the gunman. Yes, he is.